Yes people, nice one for joining us today. If you're not subscribing, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We've got a beauty in for you today, Range Rover ONYX. We've not cleaned one of these so far, this is the first time. I'm buzzing, really nice car. And wait till you see it shining at the end, really good result. Came in nice and dirty if you have a look. Just what we love to see when we pull up to the job. Nice dirty wheels, nice dirty car. We're going to get a nice dirty video for you guys. Don't forget to drop a comment where you're watching this video from. Let us know where the video's reached. Right, so we're going to give you the Snowfoam satisfaction. We're going to Snowfoam this lovely ONYX using dual auto care assault Snowfoam. I'm going to drop a link in the comments below if you want to check it out. So now that the car's all covered, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, let it drag all the dirt down. And yeah, you've got to do this guys before washing your car. You can't just grab the mitt and go, because that's how you end up with scratches. Yeah, so my tip of the day, pre-wash is key, and especially now it's winter time. There's loads of grit on the road, there's loads of stuff getting on your cars. Thank you to everyone watching our videos, it means a lot. If you're not subscribing, make sure you go check out our page and subscribe. Hit that button. Time to rinse off all the snow foam. Make sure you got enough water in the tank or plugged into the hose outside. When washing a big vehicle like this, it can take up a lot of water. Wait till you see the result of this snow foam. You've seen all the dirt before. Wait till we rinse the snow foam off. That's why I said before, you've got to make sure you pre-wash your cars. Not just around winter time, but all year round. And you'll see why in a second, once all the snow foam's been rinsed off, and the car actually will look clean. And then it's safe to go and wash it, do the contact wash, and your car will be shining. As you could imagine, we've used plenty of snow foams, tested out loads of different brands. Our top 3 snow foams to go for will be, starting with number 3, I'd go for Alien Magic for the colourful, and it actually does a job. Come across loads of colourful snow foams that they look good but they don't do a job. Alien Magic have covered both angles. Number 2 is hard because I've got 2 favourite snow foams, so I'm going to do a joint first. So we're going to change Alien Magic to number 2, and we're going to do a joint first with Dual Auto Care Assault Snow Foam and Auto Smart Ultra Mousse. Both really good products. I suggest you check them both out. I just find that they're really foamy, both of them, and they do a really good job. Like, sometimes you find products that are foamy but don't do it, or not foamy but do it. But yeah, both of them products really foamy, and they do it. Nearly all done. This is what I said before about having a full tank or being plugged into the hose. Massive car, you end up using a lot of water because the snow foam gets in everywhere. Voila, there's your final result after using the snow foam. Now the car's ready for a contact wash. Can you see I've not even used my mitt yet, and that's took off all the dirt that was there before. So yeah, now we're going to give it a contact wash. I didn't even film this because my phone died, pretty annoying, but when it came back on I managed to get a little video when we have done it. So stay tuned to the end and check out the result. And there we have it, the final result, nice and shiny. Thank you for watching, guys. If you can hit the subscribe button for me and drop a little like. Don't forget to comment where you're watching this from. And we'll see you again on the next one.